YouTube. I wanted to bring you another video. In this video, it is low-calorie vegan recipes. For the first recipe, we have a chickpea salad wrap. Here are the calories for that. And for this first recipe, all you're going to need is some garbanzo beans, sweet whole pickles or the small ones cut up, some ground mustard, just mayo, salt, pepper, these extreme wellness, high fiber, low carb wraps, and then just whatever toppings like tomatoes, and then to mix in the pickles, onions, and shredded carrots. And this is all you're going to need for the wraps. A very simple, quick recipe. And these wraps are really good and really versatile. You can use these for a lot of different things, including pizza, tacos, you know, whatever you can think of. These are really good and really low calorie, 50 calories per wrap. So you're just going to take about half a can of garbanzo beans and be sure to rinse them really well. Get the salt off of the beans, and you can save the other half, store it in a bowl in a fridge, save it for another recipe. And you're going to mash these really well until they're well combined, just like this. You want them mashed really, really well. And then just take whatever your favorite vegan mayo is. I like the Just Mayo. Have a tablespoon of that and mix that in. Along with 1 tablespoon of your favorite mustard. I prefer stone ground mustard for this recipe. Gives it just a little more flavor. You add in your onions and pickles. Sea salt to taste. And black pepper to taste. And then just stir that till it's well combined. Then you're just going to grab your wrap, your favorite lettuce, and assemble. Put everything on top. I made quite a bit, actually, probably a little bit too much, but we'll fit it in there. Always end up making too much. And I like to top mine with alfalfa sprouts, just to get some extra vitamins and minerals into my diet. Try to fit the greens in. Some shredded carrots on top, and I decided to leave the tomatoes off because it was already quite full. But you could add those in if you wanted to. That would be really good on top as well. And then you're just going to make your best attempt to wrap this all up. I did my best to get it wrapped up. Hey, it works. And it's a really simple, quick, easy lunch or dinner, and you could take it on the go, store it in the fridge for a day or two. And the next meal idea is just a veggie pizza. This is a super easy meal idea when you're in a rush and low calorie. 252 calories, there's the breakdown there. And I like to use pineapple, mushrooms, my favorite vegan cheese, pizza sauce, obviously, olives, and I like to use these flat outs for my pizza. They're a little larger in size, and I just pre-bake them in the oven a little. I like to use nutritional yeast, this pizza seasoning, and garlic powder to top the pizza. Once I get everything on there, you bake it in the oven at 425 degrees and just top it with a little bit of vegan Parmesan cheese. Super simple and really quick meal when you're in a hurry. Or if you've ate a lot for lunch or breakfast and you need a really low calorie dinner, this is great for that. We have this usually at least once or twice every week, my husband and I both. And this next meal is really, again, really simple, just a great idea when you want to just throw something together. Have your favorite vegetables. I just prefer sweet potatoes, regular potatoes, some mushrooms, and frozen green beans. I'm also going to have some roasted corn from Trader Joe's on the side. And here is the calorie breakdown for this meal, 376 calories. And I like to put sea salt, black pepper, onion powder, garlic powder, and the Trader Joe's smoked paprika, and some of this mixed seasoning on top. Just sprinkle that on top of everything and bake it in the oven at 425 degrees for about 20 to 30 minutes. Just keep an eye on it. And while that's cooking, just mix together lemon, tahini, and maple syrup dressing. I like to put this on top of the vegetables and the little salad that I'm going to have with that as well. It's really good across the top, just like this, just poured across everything. It just makes the food and the flavors stand out so much more, I feel like, with this dressing. I basically put it on pretty much everything, but it's just really good. This is a very satisfying meal and low calorie at the same time. Okay, and that wraps this video up. I hope this helps to give you some ideas whether you're trying to just lose weight or if you just need quick meal ideas because you don't have a lot of time like me. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already.